Today we are doing sunset painting over the hills. This is wet on wet technique. Clean coat of water on the paper. Now I am introducing yellow color. The tone of yellow you can use Naples Yellow, Rasiana. I am using Rasiana here. You can use cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, Naples yellow, any tone of yellow. And the ratio here I am using is 80-20, 80% water and 20% color. So slowly I am building up the colors, and I left some space for sun, white space over the hill. And I am now introducing some darker tone of my yellow color, and now the orange. Orange color, again you can use whatever orange color you are having on your palette and slowly blend it in the yellow tone. Now on the right hand side and left hand side I am introducing some cloud with brown color. So brown, again you can use red, brown, Indian red or burnt sienna. Whatever color you are having on your palette, just use that. I am making this painting in layers. So this is the second layer of the colors. So I am repeating the same process again. First I am wetting my paper. This is again even coat of water. Now I will add same yellow colors which I used before. And then I will add more darker tone of my yellow orange or orange color above my sun. Then I will add more brown color for the clouds. So I am adding the same color which I added earlier, and then blend it with the damp brush. Now I am adding my brown color for the clouds. I am adding little more darker tone of the brown towards the right corner of the painting. And then I am blending with damp brush. So when you are happy with your clouds and sky, give enough time to dry. So let it dry completely, and after that when it's dry, we will add the land area. So in this painting, 2/3 part is the sky and 1/3 part is the land, and in the land we are making the hills, rolling hills. So this is the red brown color, and very carefully, very gently when you are approaching the sun. So what I am doing here, I am adding orange color underneath the sun and adding my brown color from both sides of the hill. So this will give the illusion of like sun is behind the hill and you are getting that reflection of sunlight. And then blend it together because I don't want like it should show separate patches. So blend it nicely with very soft hand, and then take the brush number 8 and with enough water just pull the colors down. This is called pulling technique. So now with the water I am pulling the color down, then give enough time for drying. I gave enough time for the drying. Now I am adding second layer of my hill. So again, same process. I am adding orange color underneath the sun. So, and dark brown color from both sides. Now the color should be 1 or 2 tone darker than the first layer of hills. What I did, I add little Payne's gray to my brown color, and after adding orange, I am adding brown with Payne's gray from both sides of the hill. So this will give the illusion that the sun is reflecting behind the hills and it's reflecting on the second hill too. So this is how we can layer our paintings. And when you are using the layering technique, always give enough time for drying. You can make small birds if you want. If you don't want, you can leave it. So I am making 3-4 birds, flying birds over the hills because the sun is setting and the birds are also going home. So this is almost done, and I hope you enjoy and like this painting. Let's reveal our painting. Remove the tape and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates and more tutorial. Thank you very much.